Hi, this is Java Jim with First Line Equipment, and we have a special guest today here from Nurri. From where?
Italy, Naples.
Naples, Italy. Wow. Very impressive. And what we have here is we're going to do a quick unboxing of which machine?
L-type in stainless with walnut wood.
With walnut wood, and this is a lever machine.
This is a lever machine.
So these machines are shipped on a pallet throughout the United States. They just came in from Italy. So when you get the machine, it's going to be on a much larger pallet and basically get scissors or a utility knife. Now, we do bench testing machines, so you may not see the white straps because we restrap them with black straps. So all you're going to do is take the scissors and cut the straps off. And as you can see, sometimes we have some difficulty here. And we'll take that off. And what's the next step? Do we just lift this box up?
Yes. You can just...
So behind door number 1.
There we go.
We take the box off.
I take the box off with accessories. There we are.
So we have our accessory box
Here.
Okay. And we have a direct plumb kit,
Yes.
drain kit.
Yes.
How many baskets do we have? Four
We
baskets.
have 4 baskets.
And a nice heavyweight tamper on the shipment that came in.
We have the lever.
The lever.
And we have 2 portafilters. This is to keep the drain hose down as possible. It's a small invention, but really useful. I will show you later how it works. Then you have a naked portafilter and 2 cups.
Sure.
There we go.
Okay.
So we can remove the
We have
plastic.
the instruction manual, a test sheet.
Sorry.
Okay, and sometimes we'll use a black wrap when we repackage it.
And voila.
Okay, so we have our group head here that's covered.
Shall we put the lever on? There is still some plastic covering the
Right.
front panel to protect eventually.
Right, so
from
we have some
scratches.
protective covering.
Yes.
My recommendation always is to turn on the machine first with water, make sure everything's working. Of course, we have tested with water before we ship it, but always leave it on until you're ready. So you'll find it here and in the back. Sometimes we will take it off as well. Now, how do we get it off the pallet?
We have to remove those.
Is it just strapped or is it bolted?
Strapped.
Okay, so we can just cut the straps.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me lift up the machine and you'll take the wood and put it on the floor down here.
All right.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
And here
got
we
it.
go. Beautiful. All right, so we have the machine here. We have the cord back here, right? And we'll put the drip tray back.
There is a magnet in the end that holds the
And the magnet that holds
Yeah.
it here. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing. And then we just ask you that you use the water reservoir at first and don't plumb it in for at least 3 weeks if possible. And the reason is because if your water's too pure, the machine can overfill. So you want to make sure that you use it in tank mode. I say this with all dual boiler heat exchange machines, to always use the tank first. And then after about 3 weeks of using your water, then plumb it in the machine. And that's pretty much it for now for the unboxing. Look out for another video where we actually show you how to set it up with water. Thank you for watching. Again, here's Antonio. He's going to be in a few of our videos here. As I always say, coffee first, everything else second. And that also includes sharing our stuff on social media, and subscribing to our channels. Have a great day. Take care.
Ciao.